While performing monochrome staining, first of all we will take a clean non-greasy glass slide, and in this non-greasy glass slide we will put a particular area in the marked manner so that we can see that the particular smear which I am preparing is in this area. After marking the slide, now we will sterilize the wire loop. Once it will get red hot, allow it to cool, and after wire loop is cooled, no doubt here we are not going to observe live bacteria, but this is the correct procedure. Now we will collect the culture from the tube. Every time we will open the bacterial culture tube, we will make it sterilized from the neck. The wire loop is now containing culture. Again, closing the tube properly, and in this wire loop, whatever is the loop there, that bacterial culture is now spread in the area which we have marked. This is known as smear preparation. After preparing smear, again we will sterilize the wire loop and keep it in the proper manner. Allow the smear to become air dry. After smear will become air dry within a minute or so, now we will fix it. These bacteria should not go away during the washing step. So we are fixing it with the heat. So we will pass this smear from the burner flame 2 to 3 times. This is known as gentle manner of heat fixation. 1, 2 and 3. Now the smear is fixed and kept it in a right place. After fixing the smear, in the monochrome staining, we are going to add gentian violet, the particular stain which is either gentian violet or crystal violet. So we will add droplet of gentian violet into the smear and allow it to flood on the smear in this manner for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we will allow the slide to undergo for the washing purpose. Once the slide is washed, it is kept in the straight manner for the drying purpose. Now in case of negative staining, we are having dye which is known as nigrosin. In this nigrosin dye, we are going to add the smear, and after adding the smear, after preparing the smear, we are going to perform the staining in such a way that the particular nigrosin droplets will be kept at the corner of the slide. They are kept at the corner of the slide, and with the help of another slide, we are going to spread it like this. Once it is spread, do not do anything, just allow it to heat fix. This is negative staining, in which after drying we will be able to see bright illuminated non-colored bacteria against dark background.